In this tutorial, I'll show you how to export part of a video or timeline in DaVinci Resolve Studio. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, the reason why I'm doing this video is because you may want to kinda export part of a video to kinda see how it looks like on maybe different media. Or number two, you are a freelancer and you want to export part of a video before spending probably a good amount of time exporting a whole project for the client to review the final result. And in this case, I'm going to be exporting part of a video that has subtitles. I'll probably be wanting my client to review, do the subtitles look like what they want? So let's get into it. And I'm in the edit page right now, and you can see here. And this is what everything looks like. So let's assume you're already done with your subtitles. To export or render your video in DaVinci Resolve, you'll need to click on this Deliver tab, and I'll click on it. And once I do that, I'll come in to the render settings and everything that I like to kind of correct here. So for example, I can call it check for subtitles. Now, you can change everything else you want, the format. Let's say I want to go with MP4 and everything probably there looks the same. And because for this video, we want to export part of a video with banned-in subtitles, then you'll need to scroll down and go to subtitle settings. By default, if I click on this, you'll need to enable the check mark here and then select the format and then click on ban into video. So once you do that, these subtitles we see here are going to be banned into the video. So these are your custom export settings, and you can actually come up to these three dots here and save as a new preset if that is something you always redo. Now, to make your selection to render or export the video as a selection, then you're going to come to this particular option here, render. By default, we have entire timeline, but I'll click on the drop down and then select in stroke out range. So once you do that, you'll see round dots here and another one at the end here. So there are two dots available there. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to drag this to set my in, and then I'll drag this to set my out. So you have just a centerpiece that kinda is illuminated, and that is your in and out point. So once you do that, all you need to do is now click on this add to render queue button here, and I'll click on that, and then I can call it file name is check for subtitles, click on save or choose a different location, click on save, and then it's going to be in the render queue here. And if I'm already ready for this, just click on render all. Now, because it's a short video, it's going to render really quickly for us to review. So there we go, it's done. I can just right click on this and open file location. And then let's see, these are video. If I double click it, it's going to open up in VLC. And I can just pause it for a bit. You can see the subtitles, how they look like. Probably your client did not want them to be this high, or they want them maybe with a different kind of font, etc. We can play it slightly. Or just some bold font, for example, Banji as well. So really depends on what you're looking to achieve. But for this video, all I wanted to show you is how you can export part of a video or timeline in DaVinci Resolve Studio. I hope this video is of value to you. Thanks for watching.